fire off-roader. Hello and welcome to another episode of How's Lego Review. Treacherous conditions today. Very windy. In the box. A little jungle cat. Cool little dude with his camera. I have a feeling this might be a terrible idea. Oh, that didn't look good. Hoping to see some wildlife, but the girls are busy at the moment. So, just take a look at what we got here. The jungle cat. Semi-opposable. Very cool. We have minifigure number 1, the photographer. A very nice expression on his face. And his pet parrot. We have minifigure number 2. She's the lookout and the guide to the expedition. We have the vehicle itself. Sticker job so good. Decided to also use it as my outfit inspiration. Pretty sturdy as well. Nice little build. And I feel like this is a great time to bring attention to how overrated David Attenborough is. You see, you get everybody going on about, oh man, like, did you see this bloke at the bottom of the ocean? And he found this creature, and it has some kind of minor importance to some ecosystem so far removed from your own reality that you just might as well not fucking bother learning about it at all. You know, how many of you have seen a badger? A badger, live in the flesh? Probably very few. And the fact of the matter is, you might have seen a badger if you'd not been sat on your sofa watching some slap bang average zoologist narrate some random creature that you're never ever going to see, who's never ever going to have impact in your life. It's just something to think about.